Hi there, it's me again, or at least my face again. I'm here once more to congratulate you on completing more of this course. You're doing a great job and you've now completed 2 out of 6 badges. That's 30% of the way through this course, and the knowledge to come gets better and better. So big congratulations and a big badge for you. This is the Power Account badge, which you really should be proud of because now you have in your possession a fully optimized business Instagram account for your brand. You can now use this account for anything you want. It's the face of your company and it's fully optimized to achieve the best results when we promote and market your account down the line. So a pat on the back for that, a big congratulations. In the next module, what we're going to be covering is content. I'm going to show you how to be a content master on Instagram. A lot of people struggle in knowing what to post, when to post, how to post, and even why to post. I'm going to be covering all these topics in the next module and breaking it down specifically to show you what works best for each business and what works best for Instagram in general. So I've done a lot of data research and I've given you the best results. At the end of this module, there are also 3 super simple tips in order to increase your engagement and the reach of every single post or media that you put onto Instagram to get more interaction, more follows, more likes, more comments. So really helpful tips down there. And once you know how to post content on Instagram, that really does accelerate your growth because the more you get out there, the more there is for people to find and more there is for them to track back to your business page and follow you. So if you have any questions about the following module or the previous module, now's the perfect time to ask them. Go over to the discussions tab and simply type it in, whatever it is. I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Without further ado, let's go ahead and become content masters and fill up our badges